Hi all, we have a demonstration of Redefine, a massively parallel reconfigurable system. For this demonstration, we have emulated a 256 compute element Redefine on multiple FPGA devices, which is connected as an accelerator to the host using PCIe interface. The user applications that run on the host make calls to the kernels that execute on the Redefine platform. The calls to the kernels are made using OpenCL-like APIs. Kernels are offline compiled by the Redefine compiler to Redefine executable format. Let us look at a few host applications. Here, we have an image processing application running on the host. The host application captures color images and sends it to the Redefine accelerator. The color image is converted to grayscale on Redefine. This compute-intensive part of the application is offloaded as a kernel to be executed on the Redefine accelerator. The host application has OpenCL-like calls to create buffer, enqueue buffer, create a kernel, set kernel arguments for input and output, enqueue the kernel into command queue, and trigger the execution of the kernel. During runtime, calls to this kernel are directed to be executed on the Redefine accelerator. Similarly, we have another application which draws the Fibonacci spiral for a user-supplied integer. Computation of Fibonacci of the given number is the kernel that executes on Redefine. The result of this kernel is used by the host to draw the Fibonacci spiral. We have another application that does signal processing. The application accepts a user-supplied signal as input and performs fast Fourier transform on it. The computation of fast Fourier transform is the kernel that gets executed on the Redefine accelerator. Now, let me start the image processing application. We capture live color images from the webcam, which serves as an input image to this application. The host application transfers these color images to Redefine, and Redefine converts the color images to grayscale. In order to speed up this conversion, we have handcrafted single precision floating point units and supplemented each compute element of Redefine with this unit. In other words, these floating point units serve as CFUs to accelerate the execution of the kernel. In this example, the kernel gets executed on 24 compute elements. Once Redefine completes the conversion of input color images to grayscale, the grayscale images are transferred back to the host. The host application renders the input color image and the output grayscale image received from Redefine next to each other. In the images, you can see myself recording the demonstration. While the first application continues to run in the background, let us start another application, that was the Fibonacci spiral. The application expects integer input from the user, let us say 8. The input is transferred to Redefine by the host. Fibonacci of the number is computed on the integer pipeline of the compute element. Fibonacci gets executed on 4 compute elements for this kernel. The result of Fibonacci is returned to the host, and the host draws the Fibonacci spiral. Let us run the application again, and this time let us say 12 as an input. The input is transferred to Redefine. The Fibonacci of the integer is computed. The result is returned, and you can see the host drawing the Fibonacci spiral for 12. We will now initiate the third application, that was the signal processing application. Redefine makes use of floating point units that reside in each compute element in order to accelerate the computation of fast Fourier transform. 4 compute elements are used in this computation. The transform signal from Redefine is returned back to the host. In order to demonstrate the correctness of this application, the transform signal received from Redefine is passed through inverse Fourier transform on the host and displayed. So here you can see the input signal, the transform signal received from Redefine, and the inverse Fourier transform that was computed on the transformed signal received from redefine. With this demonstration, we have shown compute intensive kernels like image processing, signal processing running on redefine, making use of floating point units installed as CFUs, execution of multiple kernels in parallel on redefine, reconfiguration of resources during runtime in space and time. Also, redefine's ability to pull in only the necessary number of resources to suit the varying needs of different kernels. And in the background in the image you can see the team of morphing machines who have worked together for this demonstration. Thank you.